Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to start our science book. Please have your books and have a pencil with you. Then we are going to start our first unit. Dear students, the name of our unit number 1 is the human body, and in this lecture number 1 we will learn that we have different body parts. Each part of the body has a job to do and people look different from each other. Students, इस लेक्चर में हम ये सीखेंगे कि हमारे डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स होते हैं और हर बॉडी पार्ट डिफरेंट काम करता है और इसके अलावा कि लोग एक दूसरे से फ़र्क दिखाई देते हैं. वो क्यों फ़र्क दिखाई देते हैं? We will see in this lecture. Your body is made up of many parts. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, पेज नंबर 2 पे आप देख सकते हैं देयर इज ए पिक्चर जिसपे डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स के नेम्स हैं बिकॉज ईच बॉडी पार्ट हैज़ अ नेम. सो लेट्स सी कि इस पिक्चर में हम कौन कौन से बॉडी पार्ट्स को देख सकते हैं. सो कम विद मी. ईयर, नोज, mouth, chest, stomach, thumb, knee, toe, eye, cheek, chin, arm, finger. On the same page number 2, there is another picture. Yes, dear students, you can see another picture. And we can see more body parts. Let's see what those body parts are. Hair, neck, shoulder, elbow, back, hand, leg, foot, each part of the body has a job to do. हमारे बॉडी का हर हिस्सा एक अलग काम करता है. जैसे कि ears are to hear, कानों से हम सुनते हैं. eyes are to see, आंखों से हम देखते हैं. nose is to smell, नाक से सूंघते हैं. mouth is to talk or eat, माउथ से हम बात करते हैं या खाना खाते हैं. legs are to walk, लेग से हम चलते हैं, टांगों से हम चलते हैं. arms are to hold something, आर्म्स हमें कुछ पकड़ने में हेल्प करती है बाजू से. tongue is to taste, जुबान से हम क्या करते हैं? टेस्ट करते हैं टंग से. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर एक और पिक्चर मैंने आपके लिए इंसर्ट की है जिसमें मुख्तलिफ बॉडी पार्ट्स का जॉब शो हो रहा है कि कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट क्या करता है। इसके लिए आई विल यूज द लेजर पॉइंटर। यहाँ देखिए आप, हम दोबारा देखते हैं बहुत सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स का कि वो क्या जॉब करते हैं। Here in this picture we can see eyes are to see, nose is to breathe or smell, tongue is to taste, knee is to bend the leg, toes are used to walk, run or stand, leg is used to walk, fingers are to hold or touch something, mouth is to eat or talk, ear is to hear. So dear students, हमने मुख्तलिफ बॉडी पार्ट्स का देखा कि वो क्या काम करते हैं। नेक्स्ट हमारे पास जो आपकी बुक में पेज है, डियर स्टूडेंट्स, you are on page number 3 and here you can see 3 pictures. Let's see what these 3 pictures are about. Picture number 1. In this picture we can see a girl is eating something. So she is using her mouth. We use our mouth to eat and speak. हम अपने माउथ से बोलते भी हैं और खाते भी हैं। दोनों काम हम अपने माउथ से करते हैं। नेक्स्ट पिक्चर is that a boy is painting something. So he is using his hands. So we use hands to hold things. Picture number 3. A boy is running. So we use our feet to run, walk or move. Dear students, we are all human beings. Boys, girls, men, women and babies. All are human beings. Our bodies work in the same way, but we all look different. As we all use nose to smell, we all use eyes to see, we all use tongue to taste, we all use hands to touch something, but we all look different. Have you ever thought why? Why people look different from one another? Because people are different in age, height, size and color. Dear students, we have learned in this lecture that different parts of the body, they do different jobs. Please open your page number 7. There is a related activity of question number 4. Just have pencils in your hands. The question is, look at the pictures below. Circle the part of the body that is being used for each action. हर पिक्चर में कुछ काम हो रहा है और हम देखेंगे कि उस एक्शन में कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट इस्तेमाल हो रहा है, फिर उसको हम एनसर्कल करेंगे. So let's see what is happening in picture number 1. In picture number 1, we can see that a boy is working at the computer. And for doing this, which part of the body he is using? We are given 2 options, ears or hands. कंप्यूटर पे काम करते हुए वो अपना कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट इस्तेमाल कर रहा है, ears or hands? अपने कान या हाथों को इस्तेमाल कर रहा है. So the correct answer is hands. So we are going to encircle hands. In picture number 2, we can see that a boy is listening to the music. एक लड़का म्यूजिक सुन रहा है. and we are given two options. म्यूजिक सुनने में he is using his eyes, क्या वो आंखों को यूज कर रहा है या ears को यूज कर रहा है? Definitely, ears are used to listen something. Ears. So we will encircle ears. Next picture is a boy is seeing something through the telescope. एक लड़का टेलीस्कोप से कुछ देख रहा है और इस सेक्शन के लिए कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट इस्तेमाल होता है? आईज और ईयर्स. Definitely, absolutely right. Eyes are used. So we will encircle eyes. In next picture, a girl is smelling the flower. एक लड़की फूल सूंघ रही है and for doing this action, which part of the body she is using? Mouth or nose? क्या वो माउथ यूज कर रही है या नोज यूज कर रही है? Yes, she is using her nose to smell the flower. Next picture, we can see that a boy is sitting on his knees. एक लड़का घुटनों के बल बैठा हुआ है. So which part of the body he is using? Nose or knees? Very right, he is using his knees. Next picture is a man is doing exercise on exercising machine और इसमें वो एक साइकिल यूज कर रहा है. So which part of the body he is using? Head or legs? Absolutely right, he is using his legs. In next picture, we can see that a girl is eating something. कुछ खा रही है. So which part of the body she is using? Ears or mouth? Absolutely right, she is using her mouth. So we will encircle mouth. Yes, we have encircled all the correct answers. I hope that you have also completed this page, dear students. Dear students, I hope that the lecture was helpful to you. If you have any query, please don't hesitate to write in the comment box. Stay blessed, stay in touch. Allah Hafiz.